to meet
And
you.
who are these VIPs?
Nice to meet
This
you.
is Vera and young Willa.
All right, excellent. Vera, how are you doing? Good.
How's it going?
Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming.
Nice to meet
Awesome.
you.
Well, thanks for allowing us to,
How you doing today?
profile you, if you will.
Hi there.
We found for this particular house that there was a lot of insulation in the attic. There was some opportunities to seal some air leaks. While windows could help, we found that upgrading basements were actually one of the bigger areas. So what you'll see here is a type of fire-rated rigid insulation board that also acts as a vapor barrier to help prevent moisture and condensation problems in the basement. So you will have a warmer basement in the winter and a drier basement in the summer oftentimes.
Green Homeowners had set us up with a local HVAC company that did great work. They set us up with this dual fuel heat pump and a mini split system for the upstairs.
Awesome.
That was what worked for our house.
That's great.
And we've been incredibly happy with that.
What we found is that in our climate, you want to mix heat pump and insulation and ceiling.
Yeah.
And so we're trying to holistically look at the house.
Totally.
And the IRA really makes that possible in a way we couldn't before.
Can I ask you how much you pay in your biggest energy months?
It's up above $400. So that's, I mean, if they could save 20% of that, that would be a real nice thing come January, December.
So with this and the heat pump combo, you think it will be 20-ish?
Yes, it should be expected to be over 20% energy savings between all the various pieces.